remember they just spent 86 billion to buy Activision Blizzard,
and putting their games everywhere.
That's why they're shutting down studios.
Back, right?
Wait,
especially
what?
because I said, and putting their games everywhere should allow them to make that money back, especially games like Call of Duty.
They have to, like,
but they bought Activision, and Call of Duty comes out with the worst game they've ever made.
Well, terrible. To be fair, they overpaid for Activision Blizzard.
Terrible,
like,
terrible game.
Like, I'm sorry, but there is no publisher studio that is worth $86 billion at all. None of them are.